Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable Hearing Assistant on TCL A300W. To do it, click on the settings button on your remote, then click on OK to enter all settings. Now you can go to System, TCL Care, Hearing Assistant, and you can enable Hearing Assistant. Then you can configure Hearing Test. Let me show you that. Click on Start Test. As you can see, I need to adjust the volume until I hear the sound correctly. And now the hearing test has been set. I can save and apply. And this will apply to my played videos and other things. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.